Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Octal to Hexadecimal number system. We convert octal into hexadecimal. So base of the octal system is 8 and the base of the hexadecimal system is 16. We converted into this 8 into the 16. So what is the steps? Write the given octal number. We have to write down the given octal number as it is. Then next step is replace each octal digit by its 3-bit equivalent binary number. We have to replace each and every digit of the octal number system into the 3-bit binary number. Okay. Then next step, starting from either side of the binary point from group of 4-bit. From the binary point we make the group of 4 bits. Because we converted octal into the hexadecimal and we know that 4-bit binary number is the hexadecimal number system. So that is our next step. Replace each 4-bit binary number into their equivalent hexadecimal number system. So 4-bit group जो भी है आपका वो आप convert करोगे hexadecimal number system. Okay. This is the simple step we follow for the conversion of octal into the hexadecimal. Let's see the example one by one. What is our first example? 423.613. This number is in the octal form. We converted into the hexadecimal. So what is our first step? Write down the given number as it is. What is the given octal number? 423.613. Then what is the next step? Replace each octal digit by its equivalent 3-bit binary number. So replace each and every digit of octal number system into the 3-bit binary number system. So what is the 3-bit binary for the 4? 0 1 0 0. Correct? For the binary 1 0 0. Then for the 2 0 1 0. For the 3-bit binary 0 1 1. This is the point. Then write down the 6 in the 3-bit binary. It's a 1 1 0. Write down the 1 in 3-bit binary 0 0 1. And write down the 3 in the 3-bit binary 0 1 1. This is the 3-bit binary number. Okay. Then next step, starting from the either side of the binary point, group of 4-bit. Where is our binary point? Here. So we make the group of 4-bit. This is our first group. We start from here. After the point we start from here. Then this is our next group. Okay. Sorry, group of 4 bits. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is the next group. For the next group is we take the 3 0. After the point, this is our first group. This is our the 1 2 3 4 second group, and for this 1 2 3, this is our 3 group. Then next step is write down or replace each 4-bit binary group into its their equivalent hexadecimal value. So 0 0 0 1, this is the binary 4-bit binary, equivalent in hexadecimal 1. 0 0 0 1, again it's 1. 0 0 1 1, it's 3. Point 1 1 0 0, this is our 1 1 0 0. This is 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 0 0. What is the binary for 1 0 0? It's C. 0 1 0 1, it's 5 and 1 0 0 is 8. Same like that, this 4 group bit is 0 0 1 1, 0 0 01 and 0001. This is our hexadecimal number. So what is hexadecimal number? 113.C58. This is the conversion of octal into the hexadecimal. So base is 16. Okay. Let's see another one example. What is the example? Given number is 615.25. It is in octal form. We are converted into the hexadecimal. So what is the first step? Write down each and every digit of octal number. 615.25. Okay, this is the octal digit. Next step, replace each octal digit into 3-bit binary. So write down the 6 in 3-bit binary. 110 for the 1, 001 for the 5, 101 point. 2 is replaced in the 3-bit binary, 010, and 5 is replaced in the 3-bit binary, 101. This is our 3-bit binary. Then next step, group of 4-bit starting from the binary point. So we start from here, and after the binary point start from here. What is the group of 4-bit? This is our first group. One, 2, 3, 4 here. Then this is our 1, 2, 3, 4 second group, and for this third group 0, 0, 0. Okay. After the binary point, this is our the first group, and this is our the second group. Take 2 0 here. So what is the first group? 4-bit group is 0, 0, 0, 1. For the second, 1, 0, 0, 0. And the third, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is the binary point. Then 0, 1, 0, 1. And for this, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is our the 4-bit group. Then next step is replace 4-bit group in equivalent hexadecimal number. So what is the hexadecimal number for 0001? It's a 1. 10008. 1101, it's D. Point 01015 and 01004. This is the conversion of our hexadecimal number system. So what is the given number? 615.25. It's in the octal form, and conversion is 180.54. This is the conversion into the hexadecimal. It's a very simple conversion. First write down the octal digit as it is, then replace each and every digit in the 3-bit binary, then group up this 3-bit binary is in the 4-bit binary, 4-bit group, or then write down each and every group in the 4-bit in the equivalent hexadecimal number. Okay.